Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm introducing blouse designs. These beautifully designed blouses are a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and style. Crafted from premium high quality fabric, it offers a soft, breathable feel that you keep comfortable throughout the day while maintaining a graceful appearance. The fabric drapes smoothly on the body, enhancing the overall silhouette and giving a refined, polished look. The blouse features a thoroughly tailored fit that complements different body types. Its neckline is designed to add a touch of sophistication, while the sleeves provide a balanced mix of coverage and style. Fine stitching and precise finishing reflects excellent craftsmanship, ensuring durability and long-lasting wear. Every detail, from the themes to the edges, is carefully executed and deliver premium finish. Versatile in design, this blouse can be effortlessly paired with sarees, skirts, trousers, or jeans, making suitable for both traditional and modern outfits, whether worn for daily wear, office settings, casual meetings, and everyday look. Easy to maintain and resistant to fading, this blouse retains its charm even after multiple washes, a must-have addition to any wardrobe. This blouse combines practically with fashion, making it an ideal choice for women who appreciate style, comfort, and quality in their everyday and special occasion attires. This style blouse is designed to elevate your wardrobe with its graceful charm and versatile appeal. Made from superior quality fabric, it feels soft against the skin while allowing proper flow, ensuring all the comfort. The smooth textures and refined finish give the blouse a rich, elegant look that stands out effortlessly. The tailored silhouette enhances natural shape, offering a flattering fit without compromising comfort. The neckline is carefully crafted to add a touch of sophistication, while the sleeves are designed to balance style and ease of movement. Fine stitching to balance style and ease of movement. Neat seams and high quality stitching highlights the excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail, perfect for both formal and casual styling. This blouse pairs beautifully with sarees, lehengas, plazos, or denim for a modern fusion look, festive celebration, casual outings. It adapts seamlessly to even occasions. The fabric is easy to care for, retains its colors, maintains its shapes even after repeated wear and washes. Elegant, comfortable, and versatile, this blouse is an essential fashion piece for women who value quality, durability, timeless style in their everyday and occasion wear. This elegant blouse is thoughtfully designed to offer a perfect balance of style, comfort, and versatility. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it provides a soft, smooth touch while remaining lightweight and breathable for all the wear. The refined texture enhances the overall appearance, giving the blouse a graceful and polished look suitable for every occasion. The flattering fit is tailored to complement the natural body shape, ensuring ease of movement without feeling restrictive. A beautifully designed neckline adds subtle statement, while the sleeves are structured to provide both comfort and sophistication. High quality stitching, clean seams, and fine finishing reflect superior craftsmanship and attention to detail, ideal for traditional and contemporary styling. This blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, and trousers. It transitions seamlessly from daily wear to office attires. In festive gatherings, the durable fabric maintains its color and softness and shape even after repeated washes, making it a reliable and long-lasting wardrobe essential. With its timeless design and practical elegance, this blouse a versatile addition to any fashion collection, perfect for women who appreciate comfort, quality, and understand style in their clothing. This beautifully crafted blouse designed to enhance your look with effortless elegance and everyday comfort. Made from high quality fabric, it feels gentle on the skin while offering excellent breathability, making it ideal for accident wear. The smooth finish and refined texture giving the blouse a sophisticated appearance that suits both casual and formal setting. The tailored design provides a flattering fit that complements the body natural without feeling tight. The neckline is tastefully shaped to add a charm and femininity, while the sleeves are designed for comfort and style. Delicate stitching, clean edges, and fine finishing showcases expert craftsmanship and ensure durability. Highly versatile, this blouse can be styled with sarees, lehengas, skirts, or modern bottoms for a fusion look. Whether worn for office wear, festive occasions, family gatherings, or daily outings, it adapts effortlessly to different fashion needs. Easy to maintain and resistant to fading, this blouse remains fresh and elegant even after multiple washes. Timeless in designs and practical in use, this blouse is an essential wardrobe piece for women who seek comfort, quality, and refined style in one perfect garment. This timeless blouse is designed to bring together elegance, comfort, and everyday practicality. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it offers soft, breathable feel that keeps you comfortable throughout the day. The smooth textures and refined finish give the blouse a polished look that enhances any outfit. The blouse features well-structured yet comfortable fit that flatters the body while allowing easy movement. Its thoughtfully designed neckline adds a subtle touch of sophistication, while the sleeves provide balanced coverage and a graceful appearance. Neat stitching and fine detailing highlight the quality craftsmanship that ensures a long-lasting durability. Perfect for both traditional and contemporary styling, this blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, trousers suitable for office wear, casual outings, festive gatherings, and special occasions. It adapts easily to different look and modes. The fabric is easy to care, retains its shape, and maintains its color even after repeated washes. Elegant, versatile, and reliable, this blouse is a must-have wardrobe essential for women who value quality, comfort, and timeless fashion. This sophisticated blouse is designed to add effortless charm and versatility to your wardrobe, made from high quality grade fabric. It offers a soft, smooth feel against the skin while remaining lightweight and breathable for lasting comfort. The refined texture and subtle sheen give the blouse a graceful premium appearance. Suitable for a wide range of occasions, the carefully tailored fit enhances the natural silhouette, providing both style and ease of movement. A tastefully designed neckline brings a touch of femininity, while the sleeves are structured or balance comfort and elegance. High quality stitching, clean seams, and fine stitching reflects excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail, ideal for traditional, formal, and modern styling. This blouse pairs beautifully with sarees, skirts, palazzos, or trousers, whether worn for office wear, festive events, family gatherings, or casual outings. It adapts seamlessly to different look. The durable fabric resists fading and maintains its shape and softness even after multiple washes. With its timeless design, superior comfort, and lasting quality, this blouse is an essential fashion piece for women who appreciate elegance, practicality, and refined style in their everyday occasion wear. The executively designed blouse combines modern elegance and with classic comfort, making it a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Crafted from premium fabric, it feels soft and smooth on the skin while allowing excellent breathability for all-day use. The fine textures and refined finish give the blouse graceful appearance that enhance any outfit effortlessly. Designed with a flattering silhouette, the blouse offers a comfortable fit that complements the body without restricting movement. The neckline is carefully styled to add a touch of sophistication, while the sleeves provide a balanced blend of elegance and practicality. Precise stitching, clean seams, and attention to detail reflects superior craftsmanship and ensure long-lasting durability, perfect for pairing with sarees, skirts, palazzos, or contemporary bottoms. This blouse transitions seamlessly from daily wear to office attire and festive occasions, easy to maintain and resist to fading. Its resistance is shape, color, and elegance even after repeated washes. Styling comfortable and timeless. This blouse ideal for women who appreciate quality, versatility, and refined fashion in both everyday and special occasion wear. This beautifully blouse is designed to offer timeless style with everyday comfort. Crafted from high quality fabric, it provides a smooth, breathable feel that keeps you comfortable throughout the day. The fine textured polished finish gives the blouse sophistication look that suits both casual and formal occasions. The tailored fit enhances the natural silhouette while allowing ease of movement. A beautifully shaped neckline adds subtle elegance, while the sleeves are designed to provide comfort without compromising style. Fine stitching, neat seams, and careful finishing reflects excellent craftsmanship and ensure lasting durability. Highly versatile, this blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, bottoms for a contemporary fusion look. Whether worn for office wear, festive gatherings, family function, or daily outings, it adapts seamlessly to different styling needs. The fabric is easy to care for, maintains its color, and retains its shape even after repeated washes. Elegant, practical, and timeless, this blouse is an essential wardrobe piece for women who value quality, comfort, and refined fashion in their everyday and occasion wear. This stylish blouse is thoroughly crafted to bring elegance and comfort together in one refined design made from premium quality fabric. It feels soft on the skin while offering excellent breathability for all-day wear. The smooth textures and subtle finish give the blouse a polished look that enhances both traditional and contemporary outfits. The blouse features a flattering fit that complements the natural body shape without feeling restrictive. Its tastefully designed neckline adds a hint of sophistication, while the sleeves are structured for comfort and ease. High quality stitching, clean seams, and fine detailing highlight superior craftsmanship and ensure durability, perfect for pairing with sarees, skirts, plazos, trousers, or blouse. Transition effortlessly from daily wear to office attire and festive occasions. The fabric is easy to maintain, retains its color, and keeps its shape even after multiple washes, making it a reliable wardrobe essential, elegant, versatile, and timeless. This blouse ideal for women who appreciate quality, comfort, and understand style in their everyday and showcase special occasions. Fashion. This elegant blouse is designed to combine sophistication, comfort, and style, effortlessly crafted from high quality fabric. It offers a soft, smooth touch against the skin while remaining breathable and lightweight for all day wear comfort. The subtle textures and refined finish enhance the blouse polished look, making it suitable for both traditional and contemporary outfits. The blouse features a tailored fit that flatters the natural silhouette without restrictive movement, a carefully designed neckline, and a touch of charm, while the sleeves provide a perfect balance of style and ease. Precision stitching, neat seams, and attention to detail highlight superior craftsmanship, ensuring lasting durability, versatility in design. This blouse can be paired with sarees, skirts, plazos, and trousers, adapting seamlessly to casual office wear and festive occasions. The fabric retains its color and shape even after multiple washes, making both stylish and practical, timeless, elegant comfort. This blouse is an essential addition to any wardrobe, ideal for women who value quality, refinement, and everyday applications. The executively designed blouse brings together elegance, comfort, and timeless style. Made from premium quality fabric, it feels soft and smooth against the skin while allowing excellent breathability for all-day wear. The refined texture and polished finish give blouse sophistication appearance that enhance both traditional and modern outfits. The flattering fit complements the natural body shape, ensuring comfort without restricting movement. A gracefully designed neckline adds subtle charm, while the sleeves are tailored to provide both style and ease. Fine stitching, clean seams, and meticulous detailing highlight expectational craftsmanship and long-lasting durability, ideal for pairing with sarees, skirts, plazos, trousers. This blouse transitions seamlessly from casual outings to festive occasions and shape even after repeated washes, making it practical and stylish wardrobe essential, versatile, elegant, and comfortable. This blouse must have for women who value and quality, sophistication, and timeless fashion in their everyday and special occasion attires. This beautifully crafted blouse combines timeless elegance with everyday comfort, making it an essential addition to any wardrobe. Made from premium quality fabric, it feels soft and gentle on the skin while remaining breathable and lightweight for long-lasting comfort. The smooth textures and refined finish give the blouse polished, sophisticated look suitable for both traditional and modern suits. Designed with a flattering fit, this blouse enhances the natural silhouette without restrictive movements. A tastefully shaped neckline adds charm and femininity, while the sleeves are structured to provide both style and comfort. And expert stitching, neat seams, and carefully detailing highlight excellent craftsmanship, ensuring durability and lasting quality. High versatile, this blouse pairs beautifully with sarees, skirts, plazos, or trousers. Effortlessly transition from casual wear to office attire, festive events, and family gatherings. The fabric ensures its softness, shapes, and color even after multiple washes, making it both practical and stylish. Elegant, durable, and versatile, this blouse is perfect for women who value refined fashion, comfort, and timeless design in everyday special occasions wear. This elegantly designed blouse is a perfect blend of style, comfort, and sophistication, made from premium quality fabric. It offers a soft, smooth feel against the skin while allowing excellent breathability for all-day wear. The subtle textures and polished finish enhance its refined appearance, making it ideal for both traditional and modern outfits. The blouse features a plating tailored fit that complements the natural silhouette without restricting movement. A gracefully crafted neckline adds a touch of elegance, while the sleeves provide both comfort and style. Fine stitching, neat seams, and attention to detail reflect superior craftsmanship, ensuring durability and long-lasting wear. Highly versatile, this blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, or trousers, making it suitable for casual outings, office wear, festive events, and family gatherings. The fabric retains its color, softness, and shape even after repeated washes. Combining practically with style, timeless elegance, and comfortable, this blouse a must-have wardrobe essential for women who appreciate quality, sophistication, and enduring fashion in both everyday wear and special Korean attire. This beautifully tailored blouse is designed to combine elegance, comfort, and timeless fashion. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it feels soft and smooth against the skin while remaining breathable and lightweight for all day wear. This subtle sheen and refined texture give it a sophisticated appearance, making it perfect for both traditional and modern symbols. The blouse features a flattering, well-structured fit that enhances the natural silhouette without restrictive movement. A gracefully designed neckline and adds charms to femininity, while the sleeves are crafted to offer both style and ease. Experts stitching and precise seams and meticulously finishing reflects expectational craftsmanship and long-lasting durability. Versatile in design, this blouse pair effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, or trousers, transition seamlessly from daily wear to festive occasions. Office settings and family gatherings, the durable fabric maintains softness, color, and shape even after repeated washes, making both practical and stylish, elegant, comfortable, and timeless. This blouse is an essential wardrobe piece for women who appreciate fashion for everyday and special occasions. This elegant blouse is designed offer a perfect balance of style, comfort, and sophistication, crafted from high quality fabric. It feels soft and smooth and breathable, ensuring all-day comfort while maintaining a polished appearance. The refined texture and subtle finish make it suitable for both tradition and contemporary outfits. The blouse features a flattering tailored fit that enhances a natural shape silhouette without restricting movement. A beautifully designed neckline and a touch of sophistication charm, while the sleeves are structured for comfort and elegance. Fine stitching, precise seams, and carefully detailing highlight superior craftsmanship and ensuring long-lasting wear, perfect for pairing with sarees, skirts, palazzos, or trousers. This blouse adapts seamlessly to casual outings, office wear, festive occasions, and family gatherings. The fabric retains softness, color, and shape even after multiple washes, making it both stylish and practical. Timeless and versatile and comfortable, this blouse is about all essential for women who appreciate refined fashion, quality, elegance in everyday special occasions. This executively blouse perfectly combines elegance, comfort, and timeless style. Crafted from premium quality fabric, feels soft and smooth on the skin, while remaining breathable and lightweight for all day wear. The refined texture and subtle sheen give the blouse polish, sophisticated look, suitable for both traditional and contemporary outfits. The blouse features flattering tailored fit that complements a natural silhouette without restricting movement. A beautifully shaped neckline adds charm and femininity, while sleeves are designed for both style and comfort. High quality stitching, plain seams, and meticulously detailing reflect expert craftsmanship and ensure detailing. Durability highly versatile. This blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, or trousers, making it ideal for casual outings, office wear, festive events, and family gatherings. The durable fabric maintains its softness, color, and shape even after multiple washes, offering both practically and elegance. Timeless, sophisticated, and comfortable, this blouse is a must-have wardrobe essential for women who value quality, refinement, and versatile fashion in everyday special occasions and daily wear. This beautifully crafted blouse designed to offer timeless elegance and all-day comfort, made from high-quality breathable fabric. It feels soft and gentle on the skin while maintaining a polished, sophisticated look. The subtle texture and fine finish make it suitable for both traditional and contemporary outfits. The blouse features a tailored fit, a flatters, and the natural silhouette without restrictive movement and tastefully designed neckline add a charm and femininity. And while the sleeves are structured for comfort and style, expert stitching neat seams, meticulously detailing, highly superior craftsmanship and long-lasting durability highlight versatile, and this blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees, skirts, palazzos, trousers, seamlessly transition from daily wear to office settings, festive occasions, and family gatherings. The fabric retains its shape, softness, and color even after multiple washes, ensuring practicality without compromising style. Elegant, durable, and versatile, this blouse is wardrobe essential for women who appreciate quality, refinement, and timeless fashion in both everyday and special occasions. This beautifully elegant blouse design brings together sophistication, comfort, and timeless elegance. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it feels soft and smooth against the skin while allowing ease of movement, excellent breathability for all day wear. The refined texture and subtle sheen enhances polished appearance, making it suitable for both traditional and modern symbols. These blouses features a flattering tailored fit that complement the natural silhouette without restrictive movement. The thoughtfully designed neckline adds grace, femininity while the sleeves and structure to balance style and comfort. Fine stitching and clean seams, meticulously detailing reflects superior craftsmanship and long-lasting durability. Versatile and stylish, this blouse pairs effortlessly with sarees. Thank you for watching.